are the ingredients you will need. They will also be in the description box below. First, grease and line the sandwich tins. We are using parchment paper. Weigh out the butter and the sugar. Whisk these together until creamy. Add all of the eggs in. Whisk this in. Measure out the milk and add it to the mixture. Measure out the water and add this as well. Whisk this all together. Weigh out the flour. If you don't have any self-raising flour, you can use plain flour and baking powder like we do here. The ratio for this will be in the description box below. Also weigh out the baking powder and the cocoa powder. Sieve this together. Sieve this into the liquid mixture. Whisk this in. Using a spatula, stir around the outsides to make sure that it is all combined. Divide the mixture between the two sandwich tins. Bake for 30 minutes until done in the middle. This is the final product! Sandwich the cakes with buttercream. If you would like a video on this, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next week!